Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Delights. Today we'll be making a super healthy, super tasty, and a super quick pumpkin soup that's going to make everyone fall in love with pumpkins like never before. Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get our latest recipes. Let's get started. So I've kept a pan for heating. I'm just adding some olive oil. To that, some butter. About a tablespoon. Just let it melt properly. I'm just going to take up the heat to medium high. Okay, I'm adding some crushed garlic now. The whole cloves, but just lightly crushed. And we need to saute this for about a minute. Give it a good toss. Okay. Once you can really smell the garlic in the air, let's add the onions. These are just roughly chopped onions, and I've separated the petals. Just toss it again for another minute or so, or until the onions can start sweating. You need them to be a little translucent. Make sure you stir. Okay, you can see they've gone a little translucent. Okay, so this seems done. And let's add the pumpkins. So just take the skin off the pumpkin and cut it up into small pieces. The bigger the pieces you keep, the longer it's going to take for the pumpkin to cook. Make sure everything is nice and coated in the butter. Keep mixing it. I've just taken the heat down to low, and I'm just going to add some water. About half a glass. This is just to make sure the pumpkin does not stick to the bottom. Okay, and just cover it. Again, put it on low and let it cook. Check it every 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a stir. So just change the color a little bit. And add some water if you need. Just enough to make sure nothing sticks. Okay, it's been about 14-15 minutes. Everything looks nice and cooked. Now the best way is to just press down on a piece of the pumpkin to check if it's done. See how soft everything is gone? It should break down very easily. I'm just adding some herbs here. Mixed dried herbs. Give it a mix. Turning the heat off. Let this cool. And then we'll blend it. Okay, everything is cooled completely. And I've added a little more water to the blender to help it grind properly. Okay, you can see how silky and smooth the puree has become. Don't worry about the tiny bits here and there, it's just the herbs from before. And if you don't want that, you can just strain your soup and add the herbs here. Okay, I've turned the heat to high. And this is just the water that I've used to clean out the grinder, about a cup. Give it a good mix. Okay, you can see it's coming to a boil slowly. Here, let's add the salt. Let's stir it. The heat is on high now, remember. So it's going to start boiling. Keep mixing. And some pepper now. I'm using finely ground pepper. You can use coarse as well. Let's give it a good mix. You can add some chili flakes here if you want. But personally, I like the sweetish flavor of the pumpkin. Let this boil for at least 4 to 5 minutes. And you can adjust the water now. So if you can see the consistency, it's not too thin, not too thick. It has been boiling for about 5 minutes now and I've turned the heat off. And let's serve it. Look at the color. I'm just serving it with some garlic croutons. There you have it. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. For the detailed recipe, visit our website www.theeverydaydelights.com. The link is in the description below. Thank you. See you next time with another recipe.